let's talk about what the taxpayer has finally got from this budget. So, new tax regime, exactly. So, this has been made more attractive, and a lot of people now might want to shift to the new tax system or the new tax regime. And why? Let me just explain this to you, whatever has been announced in the budget. So, first come first, the tax rebate that you get as per Section 87A has gone up to 7 lakh as per the new tax regime. Coming down to the tax slabs, now there have been changes in the tax slab to make it more attractive. As per the new tax regime, if you are earning up to 3 lakhs, there is no tax. 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs, 5% tax. 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs, 10% tax. 9 lakh to 12 lakhs, 15% tax. 12 lakh to 15 lakhs, 20%, and 15 lakh onwards, 30% would be your tax slab. Not only this, if you're an individual who comes into the high tax bracket, good news for you, the surcharge has been reduced to almost 25%. And talking about leave encashment, so now that has also been very attractive. You can from 3 lakh it has gone up to 25 lakh. So these are the changes as per the new tax regime. Also talking about standard deduction, a benefit that salary individuals and pensioners would get. The standard deduction would be around 52,500. So that is a new addition to make it more attractive. I'm talking about the new tax regime. But one thing that you need to keep in mind is now new tax regime will be your default setting or your default option of your tax regime. Up till now, what you had to do, if at all you had to shift to a new tax regime, you had to specifically mention it or specify it. Now, if you don't do it, that if you want to, for example, if you want to stay in an old tax regime, then you will have to clearly mention it, specify it, and then only you can stay back in the old tax regime. Otherwise, you will be included, or new tax regime will be your default tax regime or your default tax system. Going ahead, a pinch where there is no relief for taxpayer is insurance premium. So if your insurance premium is above 5 lakh, then you might have to pay tax as per your tax slabs. And the rebate that you used to get, the benefit that you used to get as per Section 54 and 54F under capital gains it has been capped till 10 crores, which was tax free earlier. Now talking about gold, the government wants people to opt for electronic gold, which is why now if you convert to an electronic gold, there is no capital gains tax. So these are the pointers for a taxpayer, and these are the tax friendly announcement for a normal taxpayer.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.